Hi, welcome to Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be doing a movement which is a variation of a movement which have already been explained in this series. So if you haven't seen a hip drops video, just click this link up here and go to this video, check out what this movement is all about, and then come back here and try to do with me this variation. And this variation is called hip drops with kick. I will start with the information that the name kick is kind of confusing for me, because I rather think about this additional movement as relaxing your leg, not kicking actually. And I will explain you why. There are two ways of doing this movement, and I know that different teachers say different things about this movement, but I will tell you what I think is most convenient and maybe not proper, but for sure most convenient and comfortable, especially when you want to do this move faster. However, let's start with the basics. So we have our hip drops posture. Right leg is with our body weight and the knee is bent. And we are doing the hip drops regularly as always. So we've got drop, 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 drop. And every second drop I want to insert this kick. And what I will do with my leg is to relax it and let the leg go from the floor into the air. So this movement is made with our drop. So when you go down, this push can help you to free your leg from the floor. And what is naturally happening is that the leg is twisting in the area of your knee and goes a little bit to the side. Remember about the position of your foot. Don't make flex position. Just stay with a nice point. Hop. So the drop causes your leg to be released. Yes? And then you go drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick. And what you can also see is that some teachers explain this like an actual kick, so you don't just release your leg, but you go with a kick. Yes, drop, kick, drop, kick. So your leg goes more to the front, your foot to the front. And it's nothing wrong with this, but imagine when you want to do it faster, this is additional movement which you have to put inside, and you don't have a lot of time to do everything. So the relaxed way and relaxing your foot is more comfortable and, let's say, simply easier to do. So when you do it faster, I will show you in the front. With the relaxed foot, you have 1, 2, drop, hop, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick. So you just drop, relax, drop, relax, drop, relax, drop, relax. And when you want to do the kick, actual kick version, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, it becomes more difficult because you have to put an additional movement in your feet. Let's try it to the other side. Left leg the knee is bent, the position, and we've got only the drop, 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 and now drop, relax, 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 drop, relax. And this is how you do hip drops with a kick. So if you like this video, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss next videos from Belly Dance with Tahira series. And if you have any questions or doubts about this movement, leave a comment below this video and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced content, advanced combos, history, culture, language and all oriental dance related, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course here on my YouTube channel. I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily oriental dance life. And let's meet here next week for the next video with another basic movement in oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!